When solving metric relations, the first thing we can do is label the triangle. So on this side we have length 1, this side we have length 2, we have our M, our N, our A, and the whole length here is H. And so we have different formulas that we can use. And these are the different formulas that we're going to use. So now for the second one, we're going to go through and we're going to try to solve for all the unknown sides. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to solve for our N. So these are the ones we're going to solve for. So we're going to solve for our N. So we know our L2 and we know our H. So we can solve for N. As long as you have 2 of the letters out of 3, we can use algebra and solve for the last. So we're going to solve for N. So we have L2 squared is equal to N times H. So 24 squared is equal to N times 25. So my N value ends up equaling 2304. Then we can solve for our M, just a simple subtraction, and that's going to be H minus N, so 25 minus 23.04. So I get a 1.96 as my M. And then I have my L1, which I can solve for. So it's L1 squared is equal to M times H. So L1 ends up equaling 7. So when you multiply these two, we're going to square root it. So when you multiply these two, you get 49. And then we have to square root both sides to get our 7. And the last one we're going to solve for is A. So it's A squared is equal to M times N. So A squared is equal to 23.04 times 1.96. So you end up getting 6.72 for your A.